Zoho CRM is a powerful tool for managing customer relationships and sales processes. Here's a beginner's guide to using Zoho CRM effectively. Set up your account. Sign up for Zoho CRM and complete the initial setup, including configuring your organization's details and user permissions. Import your contacts. Begin by importing existing contact lists into Zoho CRM. You can do this using CSV files or by syncing with other applications like Gmail or Outlook. Customize modules and fields. Tailor Zoho CRM to your business needs by customizing modules and adding custom fields relevant to your sales processes. Manage leads and opportunities. Use the leads module to track potential customers and their interactions. Convert qualified leads into opportunities to manage sales pipelines effectively. Track activities and follow-ups. Record activities such as calls, emails, meetings, and tasks within Zoho CRM to keep track of customer interactions and follow-ups. Generate reports and dashboards. Utilize Zoho CRM's reporting tools to analyze sales performance, pipeline health, and other key metrics. Create dashboards to visualize data and track progress. Integrate with other tools. Integrate Zoho CRM with other business tools like email marketing platforms, customer support systems, and accounting software for seamless data flow. Training and support. Take advantage of Zoho CRM's resources, including help guides, webinars, and community forums to learn advanced features and get support when needed.